Yes. Yeah. Good evening, all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, right? Whether the screen is visible or not? Yes. Yeah. So yesterday just we had an introductory session, right? We had a so I was just briefing like why Python. So just I'll take 5 minutes what we have discussed in the last day session, right? So Python is a general purpose programming. Any kind of applications we can develop today by using Python. That's the reason we call it as general purpose programming. Multi-programming features, what all the features we see in different other programming languages, all the features we see in Python, right? That's the reason we call Python is a hybrid language. It's a high-level language, easily understandable, portable, and can run on all the hardware and all the operating systems. Interpreted language. Python is an interpretation language and user-friendly programming language. It is a user-friendly programming. Yes. General purpose programming, multi-programming features it has got, high-level language, and interpretation language, statement by statement execution, right? And recently provide simple syntax, right? It looks like normal English sentence. Okay, so this two types of languages, low and high level languages. Low level language like assembly level language or machine level languages. Right? They are not human understandable, they are not portable, they are made. They cannot be the code cannot be carried from one system to another system. They are not portable, machine dependent. They cannot all the hardware and all the operating system. And they are not human understandable, right? Yes. Right. So, but high level language, right? Like normal statements, they understand, but they're and machine independent. They have all the hardware and all the Python has got a digital programming language, has got like object programming features, has got like scripting features, has got like modular programming features, modular like 89,300 modules Python for different environment. So programming languages, Python, Java program are used only object programming. You can write a Java program by using Python. We can use of these features. And Python is one of the best language with very of libraries, automation space, and thousands of model Python has got for different environments. For data science, separate big separate module, testing separate module for networking, operating every database, separate module is providing price visuals for server, like each data separate module for each and file format. Python is providing a separate module. You can read data, write data into operations for special operations, generating graphs, any type of graph generated by using Python. In today's session, I'll be showing you simple generating graphs in Python with some examples, right? And what we are today using Python. Python mostly used in developing web application. The rapid speed of web application using tables like Django has got flexible features. It has great database. Has got its own application server. Okay. Automation applications using technology, data science, IoT, and devices. So data science. So you talk about machine learning, deep learning, all the machine learning, deep learning techniques. We implement or to code in code language and mostly chosen, mostly used programming for that. Even for writing automation, this ops, robotics, Python is mostly preferred for big data. For huge data, currently got big data tools like Spark, high speed, like investing in Spark is even for scientific applications, scientific Python, for numerical, we got NumPy, numerical Python, for graphical interface like Intel PyQt. For game development, we have got Python operating for online games, frameworks like Pygame, PyQuara, and library like PyPy for 3 games. For technical cases, for scheduling, for software development, Python is for business applications, developing e-commerce, Python is the best. There is no application for database for network application. Right? Framework of Python, given by for network applications or for network programming, for web scraping, setting data from different sites, like URL, BS for some of these examples for this. Embedded, the most famous embedded application Raspberry Pi, which is Python for its computation. CAD applications are 3D applications, right? CAD are 3D applications, right? And audio and video applications. There are many applications developed in Python. Computer vision for face detection, ROM detection, color detection kind of projects, right? Python is analysis, robotics, voice application, single user console applications, right? Python is. So the company using Python, the topmost application to use Python. Use Python for its Yahoo using Python, using Python for video sharing service, Facebook using Instagram, built using Python for instance, for choosing Python hybrid features, NASA using Python for its recent development, Uber pricing algorithm, in learning, Reddit, Pinterest, Dropbox, they're built using Python, Netflix using Python for its secure automation and kind of subscription related things. Massively multiplayer online games, Maya for 3D animation, which is Bito using Python, or with companies like IBM, Seagate, Qualcomm using Python, or with so this is what we discussed in this session. Reasons which makes Python suddenly super popular. Introduced in the 1989, why all of a sudden Python has got a great boom? Suddenly why it is so popular? We are coding, now one coding has company languages, syntaxes given by with programming languages. Interactive mode, we can use interaction statement by statement. For every statement, it uses response to programming features. All the features we see in different all those features. Wide applications, it's not applications, right? Type of auto applications, web applications, gaming applications, animation applications, networking applications, right? Build libraries, 89,300 as for different languages, right? So these are the reasons which are popular, right? And raise discussion, right? So Python is another programming language. Python combination with programming language. And they have done multiple programming languages. You can just compare how simple that is compared with other programming. If you want zero programming, you can just check it how simple the Python statements. It will be as compared with but not even one programming as compared with that program. So a task accepting the tools from the user keyboard performation. Accepting true values from the user performing. I'll write using Java. First I'll write using Java, later I'll write using Python. So if you don't like Java, right, you can just check with this following. In code example. Public stack wide domain. Same mirror. And put same mirror. System.out.pl. Enter the first number. The number you enter, right? Taken as string. By default, whatever number you are entering by default taken as string. Need to convert to the integer pass. Integer pass. System.out.println. Enter the number. The line integer this lines again. I say yes, second number. Finally saying system.out.println. I plus j. You can also use channel classes for this. So closing this, I just take 2 minutes in showing the execution in both Python and Java. Just support. I'm always to a separate notepad. Saving it. I'm creating a separate folder batch within the C drive. Python 90 batch. this Python PM batch. Sample.java. I'm saving it as sample.java. Now, so here cd slash come out of this existing path, cd change your directory to this Python name back program codes. See, if any error it will display errors, no errors, we can execute the code. So yes, so here you have to read line. Read line. String aux here as also in this thing. String aux as also should be in uppercase. Now again re-execute should be in uppercase. It's not saved. We have to read line. Read line. Dot read line. Yes, there are no errors, right? Now Java sample. Enter the first 30. Enter the first number, the second number. Sum is 30. Okay, I don't know how many of you understood this code, right? Yes, it looks complex to understand, right? This one, in every statement, you got some complex word. What is class? What is static? What is IO exception? What is input reader? What is buffer reader? What is read line? What is parse int? So in every statement, you got some complex word. That you can see that code in 12 lines of code, right? Task implemented Python, not model lines. So with simple statements like normal English construct, I'll open this Python shell and write the code. In the next class, I'll be showing you the installation of Python, downloading, installing the executions, right? But now check this. Just type the x value, y value I want. Using input function, you will be inputting the value of x and value of x. Okay, I input the value for x and I input the value for node of all the statements as we see in Java. Print x value, y value, print x plus y. That's it. This is the code in Python. But the task in Java, a lot of words people the code. It's understandable what you need. First time you are entering whatever entering that is code in x, y, and y it will be the y x. So it's Python 99. It's only any with the pivot enter, right? But here also in Java, whatever as a string, we need to convert it to integer by saying int. It is entire statement in the integer is the string. But as of now, this thing is. But in Java we say integer dot pass. But here just say int. Before running to it, convert to integer and assign. Convert into integer, right? So run it. The right extent of sum is simple coding in Python. It's understandable. There's no complex word here. One more example make you understand. Observe, right? Example, I'm group of values 30, 10, 40, 20, 50. Into the statements, so think that like some 100 transactions happened, you are storing as part of this list. This square bracket means we say text. You want to know the revenue generated for this 100 transactions, which is the transaction in that, which is the min transaction, the number of transactions. To count that, print len of x, length of that, number of elements. Print, if I want to know the max one, just the set of x, which is the maximum is 50. Even if you got 100 elements also, that which is the max. The min of x, no need to write it like other